Hey everyone, and welcome to a new episode of Green Minimalist Life. One of the fabrics for textile which have been in use for the longest time is probably wool. It's not a surprise because wool has many benefits. It's 100% natural, it's biodegradable, and thermo-regulating. Just a few benefits to mention. Wool is a textile fiber which is obtained from animals such as sheep, alpacas, camels, and so on. Since it's a natural product, it is the most recyclable fiber on the planet. According to the Ellen MacArthur Foundation, wool has the highest score for the materials circulator indicator. So this special fabric does not release microplastic, unlike other fabrics like polyester. Hence, wool products have a positive impact throughout its life cycle and our environment compared to other fabrics. So let's have a look at other characteristics of wool which are worth to mention. First, wool is biodegradable. So wool products naturally decompose in our environment within a month to years. During this process, it also releases valuable nutrients to the soil. Another interesting characteristic is that wool is breathable. So wool can absorb moisture vapor and afterwards it moves it away to evaporate it into the air. Also, wool is fire and odor resistant. Wool is odor resistant and it does not smell when you sweat. In addition, wool absorbs and locks away the odors from sweat, which are then released during washing. Another interesting fact, wool is renewable. So wool is renewable as sheep can produce a new fleece every year. And also very interesting for the textile industry, wool is thermo-regulating. Since it's an active fiber, meaning that it adapts to changes in body temperature. Hence, wool warms your body when the weather is cold and cools it down when the weather is warm. So when we personally bought our very first wool textile products, we were actually challenged by how we should wash it. Having done some research, I've tested a washing procedure of wool products that I would like to share in this video. So let's just get started. First, fill a bucket with water. Here it is important that the temperature of the water should not exceed 30 degrees Celsius. Then add some liquid detergent which is suitable for sensitive wool products. Second, add the wool product into the bucket and let it sink into the water until it's completely wet. In the next step, gently swish the wool products in the water so that the soap can pass through the fabric. This way, you can make sure that the dirt is being removed. Third, remove the wool product and press it out gently, the water, but do not rinse it by twisting it. Repeat this procedure, but this time with water without soap. So before, empty the dirty soapy bucket and fill in the water without detergent. Here again, pay attention to the water temperature. Repeat this procedure again if the water is still soapy. Place the wool product on a towel and roll it like a wrap together with the towel. This way you can make sure that excess water is absorbed. Lastly, let the wool product dry flat on a towel. Then you're basically done. So if you have any other advice to share on how to wash wool, please feel free to share in the comments below. So that's from my side today. I really hope this tutorial helped you. And if you're new to this channel or if you want to receive updates on sustainability topics, feel free to subscribe my channel. See you next time.